All right, so today we're gonna make falafel, but we're gonna make falafel in the style of forks over knives with no oil. We're gonna use, you got it, avocado. So first, make some quick minced garlic. We're gonna just I threw a few cloves in here. We're gonna whack them in the food processor and then take out the things. So I mount it. You just need to chop it for a little while. Hey, hold up, man. Something is wrong. That's good. That's good enough. Yeah, now you just take the papers out and chuck them. And now you got fresh minced garlic, baby. Yeah. All right. And the key ingredient is you cannot use garbanzo beans from a can. You have to get the hard ones and let them soak overnight. So you can eat these and they're kind of good. But anyway, so we're going to put these into the blender, the food processor. So generally with falafel, this is my recipe. So we're going to use garbanzo beans, tofu, avocado. We got the garlic. Now we're going to need to use some cilantro or parsley. All right, yeah, so I cut up some parsley. So yeah, just put it in, right? Next, the lemon. All right, so yeah, this is just whatever, man. Just put some lemon in there. I don't care how you do it. Pour it out of a bottle, whatever. Just get some lemon. But if you're going to use a lemon, throw it in your disposal and then this cleans your disposal. And I got some of this organic taco seasoning from Sprouts. Put whatever spices you like. So, and then if you like soy sauce, this is kind of healthy soy sauce. It's called liquid aminos. Put a little bit of that. And then get you a big bowl because it's going to clog up the food processor. So do a couple rounds and then dump it in the big bowl. Let's put some avocado now and tofu. So yeah, I got some tofu squares here. So get some soft tofu and this will cover your fat. And then a little avocado and we're almost ready to rock and roll. So then I sliced up an avocado, but you're going to be adding stuff. So let's do the first run and see how it goes. And with your food processor, just put it in on chop. Yeah, just chop it up. Let it go. Right, and then so now, yeah, just dump it out. And, then add as you see fit and just keep, that's it. Then you can put them in balls. And then if you got a fryer, you can fry them. But that's not forks and knives friendly. So you can either bake them or if you got a grill or a barbecue pit, that's how we're going to cook them. So, all right, so you run the food processor a couple times, get some stuff, and then add spices how you like it. Then just kind of, mix it up. Does it feel good to you? If not, do it again. So, and then what I like to do is I'm going to put these things in a muffin pan and then just bake them because I'm not frying nothing. Hey, forks over knives, man. Don't be frying nothing. All right, so I'm going to just drop these in a muffin pan and let's cook them. So yeah, I'm just going to spray this thing and then let's put them in it. Let's go. All right, so I just filled up the muffin cups. Let's throw them in the oven. I don't know, 350, 375. But keep checking them because I don't know. All right, I loaded them up. They're in the oven. I'm sure they'll turn out good. Put the comments down below if you like the recipe.